everybody, welcome to my channel. I have a new wig from Subella hair. So of course I'm gonna do an install for you guys and review this unit. So before we get into the install, I want to show you everything that came with the wig. So the wig comes like this, and then let me show you everything that is in here. So we have our wig, and then we have a little pouch of things that will help you to install your wig, as well as some additional accessories. You have the wig melt band, a wig cap, some eyelashes, and then you get an additional accessory, which is these brushes here. So that's very nice. But now that's everything that came in the packaging, and of course the bag for you to keep your wig. But the wig that I have today, this is a 24-inch unit. It is a 360 lace unit. So it's not full lace, but it has lace 360 around. So let me show you what it looks like. So not only is it 360 around lace, but the lace is pre-cut, pre-bleached, and pre-plucked. So the hair is essentially ready to wear right out of the packaging. Let me show you how that lace looks initially. And then you do get the lace in the bag. So you get a good amount of lace in the bag. It's really just lace for you to be able to do like ponytails, things like that. And then something else that this wig has that's something new is a drawstring bag. So usually wigs will have like the adjustable straps right around here that you can like fit to size. But this one has a drawstring like this, and you just pull it tight like that, and the back is actually pretty stretchy once you tighten it up. So the wig does come with some combs. You have a comb here and here, and then at the bottom right here, the bottom right here, and then you have an adjustable strap here. So the wig looks to be pretty sturdy, pretty good of a build. This is how much frontal lace space that you get. So I can't wait to try it on. This wig is supposed to be like really good for doing high buns or like ponytails. You know, it just gives you more options when it comes to styling your unit. So I can't wait to try it out and try out the elastic band portion, and we'll see if I'm able to do a bun with this wig. So let me show you the texture of the hair that we have. It's like a wavy kind of water wave texture. It feels really good initially. No tangling running my hands through it. I am gonna wet the hair as well so we can see what that looks like. But yeah, I think I'm just gonna go ahead and put the wig on right now to see how it fits, see the sizing. I do have a larger head, so I'm always nervous when it comes to like a 360 lace wig because my head is larger, so they're usually really tight. But let's see how this one holds up. Oh, another thing, the elastic band here is not removable on this unit. Okay, so already I can tell that this wig is a little bit tight, but I think I'll be able to work with it. It's definitely a little tight though. But now let me see how it does with the drawstring front here. Let's see if there's any difference with me pulling it tight. Let's see how it fits now. It is pretty snug though. The elastic, the drawstring back, it feels really tight. Not too tight, but it feels really secure in the back. Even though I didn't put the comb in or anything like that. Let me put the comb in. It feels really secure back there. It feels like a drawstring ponytail. It feels pretty secure. So let me see. Yeah, the wig is definitely a little tight, but we'll see what we can do with it. It looks pretty nice though. Super nice. Let me show you how the back looks, because you're supposed to be able to put this hair in a ponytail. So let me put it in a ponytail, and I'm gonna actually install it while it's in the ponytail. Okay, this is how the bun looks. Of course, I didn't install it yet, but I wanna show you how it looks before I do anything to it. This is how the back looks. Now I'm gonna go ahead and actually install it, and then we'll come back for our final styling. Okay, so I got the wig completely on. Like I said, it is a little bit snug, but I was able to maneuver it and work around it and get it on. But make sure that you get a large cap size if you have a larger head, because this definitely is a little bit too tight, but I'm able to work with it, but it would have been a lot better if I would have ordered a large cap size. But anyways, now that I have the wig on, I'm gonna actually style the hair, and let's see what the hair is giving, what it's working with. Let me brush it out first. I am just brushing it out with this brush here. And this is my initial brush out of the hair. There's nothing in it just yet. So the texture is really nice. It is not really curly. It's more so on the wavy side, but it has a little more texture than just a wavy. This hair would be perfect for doing wand curls, or just wearing it as is, but perfect for vacation, summertime, or just perfect for being outside if you're looking for a kind of like full volume curly wavy hair, because it's not gonna tangle on you. It's really just you can run your fingers right through it, as you can see, but it still has that texture to it. It has the wave and curl to it to make it still like a beachy, wavy, summertime look. I want to show you the parting space. This is the party. Okay, so this is what the hair looks like wet. It is so nice. It's the perfect mixture of like curly and wavy. It looks curly, but it feels wavy. It feels wavy. The hair is still wet and you can comb right through it very easily. No tangling, shedding, nothing. The hair feels super good. Very, very nice. And like I said earlier, this is a perfect texture for being outside because it can get wet. It'll have a lot of volume to it. If it's too hot, you know, it kind of puffs up, but it looks like it's supposed to look like that. So it just looks all around, looks really good. Now I am gonna add my favorite products to it. I'm using this Silky Gel Moisturizer Activator. It's this here. I put this in all of my curly hair. It is literally what it says. It's like a gel moisturizer, so it feels just like gel, like more of a liquidy gel, so that it moisturizes and keeps the hair kind of looking wet. So this is gonna make the hair look like this still all throughout the day.